Hello, everybody. This is Loza in Everyday News. Today we're talking about Prince Harry. So there's news of Prince Harry like wanting. Well, there's been news of Prince Harry wanting um security for himself and his family. There was an interview recently that he is saying, "Oh my goodness, my family and I are just unsafe, and I've literally served in the army and I was born into this position. So, um, I should have security, I should have security." So, what people are saying over there in the UK, they're like, "We don't want to pay for your security, sir, though. If you want security, why don't you pay it for yourself, And he's saying, "Oh my goodness, um, it doesn't even cost that much, because the tablets have like a made up numbers like 20 million for my security team. It wouldn't cost that much." So the public's like, if it doesn't cost that much, then pay for it yourself, sir. So it's that kind of drama, and I'm very interested to see what you guys think about that. What do you think about Prince Harry's what's this thing plea, I guess, to get like say a security team for his family? He's saying that they're in danger and he wants to protect his wife and children, you know. Um so what do you think? What's your own opinion on it? Thank you so much for listening.